Here's how you can easily make your own rain barrel for your garden. This bin and stand from Home Hardware work perfectly for this project. Don't forget to use a little bit of gutter guard so no little creatures can get into your bin. You can attach this flexible downspout extension to your gutter and trace the end of it. Then cut a hole and insert the downspout into the bin. Using a 3/4 inch spade bit, pre-drill a hole near the bottom of the bin for the rain barrel spigot. Tightly wrap some Teflon tape around the thread in the direction that the fitting will turn, and this will give you a super tight seal. Attach the fittings and you're good to go. If you want to take it a step further and create a little home for your rain barrel, you can frame a box using pressure-treated 2x4s and fence boards. The benchmark circular saw and drill come in super handy here. You'll just need to cut a hole for the downspout and spigot and create a lid using a piece of plywood or leftover fence boards. Then you can attach your hose and you're ready to collect some beautiful, clean, and free rainwater for your garden. You'll be making a positive environmental impact while saving money on your water bill. All these materials can be found at your local Home Hardware. Happy gardening!